Okay, so these sorts of questions are quite nice. Now, with these ones, it's likely that you're going to get two answers. Just because if you think about a ball being thrown up into the air, it will come up and then it will come back down. And we're trying to find when it's at least 10 metres above the ground. So we're actually going to have a range of times so that it will be above that point. So again, we're going to start with Suvat. Now I'm going to make everything upwards positive. So the object's being thrown up and we know that the initial speed is 20. So that means that U is going to be 20. Because the object's being thrown up and that's the speed of direction, and that's going to be positive. The acceleration, that's going to be negative because the object, obviously the weight of gravity is pulling it down. So the acceleration will be going downwards, which is the opposite way of what I'm making positive. We want things at least 10 metres, so I'm going to make S10. And then we are looking for the T. Okay, so the formula that uses all of these is S equals UT plus a half AT squared. Now this is going to give me a quadratic because of the T's, which then obviously hints that it's going to be 2 times. So we can sub everything in, so 10 equals, it'll be 20t plus a half times minus 9.8 times t squared. I'm just going to simplify it. Okay, I'm going to add 4.9 t squared to both sides just because I want my quadratic to have a positive t squared, but again, this is just my preference. If you're happy to leave it as it is. I'm also going to take away the 20t from both sides. So it's equal to 0 because we can't solve it unless the quadratic is equal to 0. Oh, plus 10 equals 0, there we go. So we've got this quadratic here. So I'm going to use my calculator to do it. So we've got 4.9, so 4.9 there, we've got minus 20t and 10 there. So we get 2 times, so we get that t is 3.5 and t is 0.58. Okay, so determine the amount of time that it's at least. So we're then going to subtract these. Okay. So 3.4. There we go. Minus 0.38. 92. Remember it has to be 2 sig fig, so I'm going to leave it at that. So it's 2.9 seconds that it is above 10 meters.